If I ever say I'm making another pizza, you have the right to come to my house and take my phone away from me. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. I realize I never finished Pizza Party August, and I hate leaving projects unfinished, and I was really excited about this recipe. We are going to make the Disneyland Cheeseburger Pizza. Now, I think this was served at Pixar Pier, correct me if I'm wrong. When I read about it on Instagram, I was like, that kind of sounds like that burger from that place. You know, 2 all-beef patties, special sauce. I don't know. Sounds like it'd be a really good pizza. Let's make it today. So in all the pictures that I saw of this pizza, it had like patties on it, like full patties of hamburger. And I didn't love that. I just it just looked so weird. So I've decided we're just gonna do a little crumble of the ground beef, but I'm gonna season it like I would a burger patty, and I'll show you how to do that right now. For the burger aspect of this pizza, I'm just gonna use the burger seasoning that I used in our Onward video. A little bit of salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and some Dijon mustard. Give that a good healthy mix with your hands. We're gonna toss that into a skillet over medium heat and cook that till it's, I would say, about 90% done, because when we toss it on our pizza, it's gonna cook a little bit more and we don't want anything to be dried out. We're gonna set that aside and start prepping our cheese. We're using white and yellow cheddar cheese. Give that a nice shred. We know I like to shred our own cheese so it has better texture and not as gritty. I don't need to show you how to roll out pizza dough. You guys are pros already. You've seen me do this 1,000 times. Time to get saucy. We are cheating today and using a can of regular tomato sauce. Gonna spread that nice and even over our pizza crust. To add a little extra burger flair, we're topping that sauce with some yellow mustard. I gave it some yellow brick road action on that pizza. Then inside of that yellow swirl, we're gonna put some ketchup in there. Get a little red brick road action happening. Then we're gonna sprinkle with cheese, and more cheese. Once the cheese is all done, you're gonna pop some of that burger on there, and guess what? We're putting even more cheese on there, baking it at 450 degrees for about 15 minutes. Once that pizza comes out, it's time for my favorite part, the pickles. We're gonna pop as many pickles as we can on that pie, slice it up, and then it's gonna be time to serve it. I'm so excited to eat this freaking pizza. I've been thinking about it for so long, and now I'm like, it's finally time! I put the special sauce on my own individual slice because I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I really don't wanna like reheat it with Thousand Island on it. That doesn't sound very tasty. Let's take a bite. This pizza definitely tastes like that special burger that we were talking about earlier. This is really good. Dang, God, I really need to go to Disneyland. I've never been. And I heard the food is incredible. Is that true? Is it not true? Let me know. Have you had this pizza in Disneyland? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did I get it right? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell, ding ding, and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much again. Have a magical day.